so today's lesson consisted of many different ways to walk in Tango to, spice up the everyday walk in Tango. We started off with outside track, and to get into outside track, we are going to take a larger step in the follow when we do a side step to our left, and lead a smaller one on the follow. So now we're outside track. This is what it looks like. One other way to walk in Tango. Then we went to the 8-count basic. The 8-count basic is a very popular pattern in Tango that you're expected to know, apparently. It's 8 steps, as the name implies. The first step, I'll start from the lead's perspective, is stepping back, going into outside outside walking system, forward, forward in place, forward, side, together. With the follow leads, we're going to lead some different things in there. So visually, you lead an outside, a larger step, so we're up in the outside embrace. Go forward, and our chests are sort of turned towards each other. So this is very typical across outside track embrace. Go forward again, step in place, together, and the follower does a cruzada. And that's because as a lead, we're bringing our chest together to face each other. And going forward, side, together. So with the counts all together, it looks like this. Weight is on our left foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One variation we taught for this move was doing a lock step instead of a place step on the 5. So leads, usually we go 4, 5 for the 8-count basic, and a variation you can do instead is forward, lock, go forward. All together, it looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Really fun move. All right, after we taught the 8-count basic, we taught snakewalks. And snakewalks are pretty fun. They look like snakes, I guess. So to get into this, we actually do an in-place step. You can do just a step in place leads, or you can do a lock step to get into it. But it looks like this. You're going forward in our normal walks. Forward, step in place, and now with our opposite foot, we step in front of the follow, going around. One thing to make this move easier is as leads, we have to make sure our chest is going straight forward as our hips are moving instead. So our hips are moving while our chest is forward to get around our own feet. And one thing in terms of technique for this move is, as a lead, if you're new to this move, you have the temptation to step without moving your chest. So you have to step with your chest. So you don't run to the follow speed. And also you want to try to create some distance as well in the brace to help if you need this move. So all together, it looks like this. Doing our walks, walk in place, forward, forward, step. Now, one way to exit the snake walks is to do another in-place step. So if I'm doing the snake walks, I can just do another in place and go directly forward. Another way to exit is doing ochos. So, for example, we're going forward, forward, walk in place, snake walks, go here, for back ochos. And finally, the last way to walk in Tango that we taught today was promenade. And one way to get into promenade is from forward ochos. So if we do a cadencia step from just facing forward, forward, ocho here, we shift our embrace. So as leads, our embrace is going to go from here to wrapping around the follows to be around their rib cage. We step forward with our right, forward like this. And this is promenade. To exit, we're going to exit when the follow takes a forward step with their left foot. and bring them around and walk out. And that concludes our lesson on walking.